Hey fellow mamas, are you juggling diapers, school runs, and endless snack requests, all while dreaming of a way to contribute to your family's finances without sacrificing those precious moments? I see you, because that was me. I was searching for something real, something that would allow me to build my own success from my kitchen table in my own time. And then I found it. This isn't just another pre-recorded, dusty online course you buy and forget about. This is a live, interactive experience designed for busy moms like us. Imagine having real-time coaching where you can ask questions and get instant guidance as you're building your business. That's what this is. It's a step-by-step journey with expert mentorship, showing you exactly how to build a profitable, automated online business. One of the most incredible parts is that you can gain access to 10 different programs and income streams, including materials in both English and Spanish. This means you have the ability to create multiple streams of income, not just one. You'll also get your licensed reseller certification, which gives you the rights to promote and sell this very program. Talk about a ready-made business. But it's more than just a certification. You'll receive comprehensive digital marketing training, learning the essentials to attract customers online. You'll master the fundamentals of running and scaling a successful business and discover the best marketing practices to build your brand and drive consistent sales. It's literally everything you need in one place. For me, the community has been a game changer. Being surrounded by parents on the same journey, cheering each other on and collaborating, it's priceless. There's always someone there to offer or share a new tip. You are never alone. This program provides everything you need to confidently grow an online business that fits into your life, not the other way around. If you're feeling that little spark of what if, I invite you to learn more. Don't let another day pass by wondering. Head over to my website at www.lauradailypay.com. That's LauradailyPay.com. Just enter your email and I'll send you all the information you need to see if this is a right fit for you and your family. You got nothing to lose and a whole new future to gain. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the inside. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.